Hi all, in this video I will be showing why a negative number times a negative number equals a positive number in a physical, intuitive way. If you find this video helpful, please like the vid and subscribe to my channel. Now consider this, we are seated on a bench in front of a long straight bike path with a stop clock, maybe thinking about physics or something. Now let this be the origin point, 0. And to the right, we have our positive increments marked off at 10 meters each. So 10, 20, 30, 40 meters. And on the left side, to the left of us, we mark it off in negative increments. So 10, 20, 30, 40 meters, so on. Now, we notice that all cyclists on this path cycle with a leisurely speed of 3 meters per second. Again, we'll say that cyclists going to the left are in the negative direction, cyclists going to the right of us are in the positive direction. So also let the time in the future be denoted by a positive number, so positive, and time in the past be a negative number. So when the cyclist crosses our origin point at 0, we set our clock to t equals 0. So to solve all possible positions of the cyclist positions on the footpath in the past and the future, we need to consider 4 cases. So, case 1. The cyclist is going to our right, so in the positive direction. And where will they be in 10 seconds in the future? So the positive future. So here we have, they will be going 3 meters per second in the right, times, I'll just denote the multiplication by dot, times 10 seconds. So that will equal 30 meters. So that will be to our right at 30 meters. So after 10 seconds, they'll be located 30 meters to our right. Case 2. Oops. Case 2. Now, the cyclist is going to our left. Where will they be 10 seconds in the future? Well, they'll be going in the negative direction, 3 meters per second, times 10 seconds. Positive 10 seconds because it's in the future. They'll be situated at the negative 30 meter mark. So they'll be situated to our left, 30 meters. Now for case 3 and 4, let us consider where the cyclist will be, where the cyclist was in the past. So let's consider case 3, where the cyclist is traveling to the right. Where were they 10 seconds ago? So they were traveling to our right. Where were they 10 seconds ago? Well, they were traveling to the right, so positive 3 meters per second times negative 10 seconds, because it was in the past. So they would have been at the negative 30 meter mark. Now for the last case, the cyclist is traveling to the left. Where were they 10 seconds ago? So here we have negative 3 meters per second times negative 10 seconds. What will this equal? Well, it can only equal 30 meters because they're traveling to our left. They would have had to be at the 30 meter mark 10 seconds ago. So it's 30 meters. thus showing that a negative times a negative number is equal to a positive number. Let's all put this in a table, so without the units. So plus 3 times plus 10 is equal to 30. Negative 3 times positive 10, it is equal to negative 30. Positive 3 times negative 10 is equal to negative 30. And negative 3 times negative 10 is equal to 30. The answers here all look nice and symmetric, as it should be. So I hope this shows you why a negative number times a negative number equals a positive number using physical reasoning. So thanks for your time. If you found this helpful, like the vid and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.